Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you, so please subscribe below and let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step guide on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Right now, we're going to be talking about Bluehost, okay? And how this particular YouTuber, Create and Go, is making $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month from Bluehost, okay? Now let me explain. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, an affiliate is like a referral, okay? Affiliate promotes a product or service on their website. So for example, Create and Go made a video on how to start a blog in 10 minutes, simple, easy, step by step, and they are an affiliate for Bluehost, okay? So affiliates promote a product or service on their website. So they made a video on YouTube and they have an affiliate link in their YouTube description. Whenever a customer clicks and converts, meaning whenever one of the viewers from the 147,000 viewers clicks on this link, okay, coupon link to get started with Bluehost, conversions are tracked and Bluehost is going to be paying the affiliate a commission. So if you know how to make blogs, you can make YouTube tutorials helping people start their own blogs, start their own website, and you could promote tons of different products in your YouTube video. The crazy thing with Bluehost is that they are one of the top affiliate programs that you can promote. Let me explain why. So Bluehost is basically everything your website needs from startup. So name your website, select the design template, and start building with the right hosting plan. Optimize with the design freedom, marketing tools, insightful analytics, and scalable growth, okay? Basically everything you need to host your website. Now, look at this. It's $2.95 per month. Total design freedom, WordPress-based builder available, free domain for the first year. All you got to do is promote this Bluehost program. And if someone clicks your link, like this guy, if you click this link and sign up for Bluehost for $2.95 a month, this guy, Create and Go, is pulling in $65. Okay, Bluehost is taking a loss because they only need to pay $2.95, but they are paying that YouTuber $65. Okay, over $5 million paid in commission last year alone. If you scroll up, you can join their affiliate team, Bluehost affiliate team. Refer your readers to Bluehost with your affiliate link, your referral link, and earn $65 for each qualified hosting purchase. Couldn't be more simple. If you want to get started and you know how to make blog posts, blogs, websites, just click this green sign up button below. What's in it for you? Signing up takes only a few minutes and is completely free. You'll receive a unique tracking or referral link for use on your website or YouTube videos, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere where you can put a link, and whenever someone clicks on that link, you can make money. Reliable tracking. Our custom tracking is hard-coded into our platform. They use tons of different tools so you can get paid on time every single time, okay? Some people I've seen on the internet are pulling $40,000 per month just promoting Bluehost on their website, making videos on how to start a blog. They are making $40,000 from an affiliate program, not from YouTube AdSense affiliate program. I suggest making YouTube videos because you are going to be getting paid two ways. One way from YouTube itself through ad revenue. Another way is before you even get AdSense is by promoting things like Bluehost and you start a blogging YouTube channel. Okay, TubeBuddy allows you to become successful on YouTube. It's a free browser extension and mobile app that integrates with YouTube to help you run your channel really, really easily. Okay. They allow advanced keyword research, for example. Let TubeBuddy help you find high-performing searchable video topics and then craft the perfect titles and tags. It's going to help you cut your publishing time in half. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up your publishing time. It's going to allow you to rank higher in search results. The higher you rank on YouTube search results, the more views you're going to get. And the more views you're going to get, the more people can click on your affiliate links, okay? TubeBuddy will guide you through your YouTube's best practices and ensure your videos are set up for success. It's going to allow you to get more views and subscribers. It's going to allow you to make thumbnails, and it's been used by more than 3 million people, YouTube creators and brands, okay? You get started with affiliate marketing. It's really simple. Basically, you promote any types of affiliate programs. Someone clicks on the link on your YouTube description, and the company, whatever program you promote, is going to be paying you. Aside from Bluehost, there's thousands, millions of affiliate programs out there. I suggest checking out clickbank.com. Basically, it's a hub for different affiliate programs that you can promote, okay? So you can make a YouTube channel today with 0 subscribers, make a couple of videos promoting different types of niches, different types of programs that you are passionate about. Using TubeBuddy will help you out. And you can sign up as a Clickbank affiliate and you can make money before you even hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. Okay? Nearly 100,000 affiliates power Clickbank's vast marketplace to promote top performing compliant products to get paid on time every time. Over 200 countries, been doing this for 20 years, and they've paid out over $4 billion. Okay? If you click the start promoting, all you gotta do is enter your email, your password, your name, and it's gonna take you to this marketplace. If you look on the left hand side, there's tons of different categories, tons of different products that you can promote. They have over thousands, I think they have over 10,000 products that you can promote right now. If you look right here, if you make a finance YouTube channel, for example, you could promote the bots live trading room, and they are converting at $3,000. So you can make a video, it gets 100 views only, okay? Only 100 views. One person clicks on your link and buys the bots live trading room program. Boom, you made $3,000 off one video. One video with only 100 views. You could have 0 subscribers and you could still make money with affiliate marketing. Handsome Guy Secrets, for example. Okay, they're making $1,347 every time someone promotes this program. For example, $1,347. You can make a YouTube channel based on relationship advice, and you can promote programs like this and they'll pay you $1,347. If you want to make 10 grand a month before you even hit 1,000 subscribers, make videos on relationship, promote this product, get 10 people per month to buy this product, and you make more than $10,000 before you even get paid for YouTube AdSense. It's insane. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I have a link below in the description. It's a free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. Okay? All you gotta do is enter your first name, your email address, and click the Get Instant Access Now, and it'll take you from a complete beginner to a complete master with affiliate marketing. That is it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace